Welcome to a brand new, fully renovated condo. My name is Gianna. I am a licensed New Jersey real estate agent. I helped my client buy this condo. I found it for them. I guided them through the entire buying process, and I even helped swing a hammer during the renovation. My fiance, Ryan Brucker, is a contractor and owns Brucker Construction. Together, mostly him, I helped. We renovated this condo for our client from top to bottom. Everything to a detail is completely new and custom, and I'd like to give you a tour. So this is a 1,000 square foot, 2-bedroom condo in Highlands, New Jersey, right on the water. Water views from every window. We took up all the original flooring, restored the subfloor, and laid new LVP plank flooring, lighting upgrades. Throughout the entire unit, you'll see lighting upgrades in every room. Nearly every room got new recessed lighting, ceiling fans, or light fixtures. All new base trim, millwork, trim work, door casings, trimmed out entry areas. All the doors were replaced. Vertical shiplap in the hallway, so really just nice touches. But first, we'll start in the family room. As you can see, really nice big family room. From every single window, there is a water view. This unit is just insane. There's the water. We have a beautiful balcony here, spacious. This location is awesome for commuters to New York City. Walkable distance is ferry, luxury ferry ride to New York City. It's an open concept. This is going to be the dining room. We have a beautiful light fixture from the Lighting Design Center at Warshower Electric. The Lighting Design Center helped select the lighting fixtures in this unit. Here in the kitchen, we have a brand new kitchen, brand new everything. The owner chose stock cabinets in a misty gray color, beautiful with the beach. Emerstone Sprenza quartz, countertop, and backsplash. Even down to the details of the outlets here in the kitchen, having the USB and lightning outlets. As you notice, these are screwless cover plates. Just the details are so nice here. An LK workstation sink. These workstation sinks are pretty much the standard and typical right now, really popular. They come with all these accessories like a cutting board, a drain mat, all new GE stainless steel appliances. Let me show you the rest of the house. Like I said, new trim work throughout. Trimmed out entryway here, vertical shiplap with a little ledge sill. I'll show you the bathroom. This is a brand new Brucker Construction gut renovated bathroom. This entire bathroom was completely gutted, from floor joist to the ceiling joist, everything. And everything was reconstructed the right way. There's so much heat in this bathroom. We have floor heat, even a heated toilet seat, heated ceiling exhaust fan. This is really high quality tile from the tile shop, custom niche, a built-in corner bench. The entire shower was made with Weedy shower system. We have Delta shower fixtures. The owner chose to go with a black matte finish for all of the fixtures and hardware in this bathroom and mostly throughout this entire condo. Toto toilet, a Toto bidet with heated toilet seat, an oak cabinet with black hardware, undermount sink, black sink faucet, recessed medicine cabinet, accompanied by 2 sconce lights on both sides of it, and extra outlets here at the sink, and I'll show you the rest. Before we get to the primary bedroom, I'll show you the washer dryer closet / linen closet, stackable LG washer and dryer, and new closet systems. Every closet in this condo got new closet systems. It was reframed to actually take space from the master closet to accommodate this size. An entire new washer dryer hookup was installed here. So now I'll show you the primary bedroom, but before I do, I just want to point out this is a brand new sub panel, Siemens sub panel from Warshower Electric. I'll show you the primary bedroom. This is the primary bedroom. The owner chose to do a beautiful shiplap feature wall. The bed will go here and the headboard will go here. It is just so beautiful and such a stunning touch that was done to this room. I love shiplap. So horizontal shiplap with outlets, and there are going to be pendant lights installed from the ceiling that drop down and hang at the bedside. So instead of having a table lamp or even a sconce light, there's going to be pendant lights. In this primary bedroom, and like I mentioned, all rooms throughout this condo, there were a ton of lighting upgrades. There are recessed lights that were installed here, and this new beautiful ceiling fan. This is the master closet, brand new closet systems to maximize the storage in here. The owner has beautiful taste and made really beautiful, stunning design choices. Tomorrow, the owner will be moving into their brand new condo at the Jersey Shore in Highlands, New Jersey. Everything is just completely new and custom. When the owner bought this condo, it did not look like this at all. This project is such a good example of how you can transform any space into and customize it and make it, build it, renovate it, make it into exactly how you want. Your taste, your style, you can choose every single finish, and this lucky owner is going to be moving into such a beautiful home that is completely customized exactly how they want it. They love everything about it because they chose it. So especially in this market, this option of buying something in a really great location and then renovating it, customizing it to make it your own is such a great creative solution in this market to finding what you want. Thank you so much for watching this tour. If you liked this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.